Hi everyone, welcome back to what is going to be the very first home of Hobby Rocks. It's got a very high ceiling, it's a big building, nice lampshade, but obviously I don't know if you'll be able to see that without too much light. You will. It's very pink, it is a very pink room, but we do have a sea view as I'm walking along. So yeah, on a nice day, when we've got lovely blue sea, we've got a sea view. Obviously the window needs a bit of a clean. But yeah, this is going to be the very first home of Hobby Rocks. Now, at the moment, it's got a treatment bed and light and stuff, because it was used for, oh, I'm out of breath. Used for doing things like eyelashes. Oh, there's a big ship out there. So yeah, this is going to be, but yeah, where I'm going to have my very first yarn store. So all this stuff will be cleared out, and I'm going to have like benching over one side, and I'm going to get some of those big storage boxes, and sort of when I order the yarn and everything else, I can sort it all out. So hopefully, and it's not a small room. It's you'd get a double bed in here, so it's not really tiny, but it's the smallest room in this place because this is huge place. So one day, you never know, I might outgrow it, but that would be a good thing because it would mean I was doing well. But for now, this is it. And when I was first shown around here, this was my favourite room out of all of the rooms. I don't know why, but probably because it's got a little sea view. There's other rooms that have got it, but one or two of them have bay windows either side of this one. But for some reason, I really liked this one. So it seems quite fitting that I shall use it for Hobby Rocks. So now I'm going to start getting some orders together and some products uploaded even. Look at that. There's a Sharps box, obviously. But yeah, it's not even mine, guys. It's not even mine. But I know Cara wanted to try. And this is her stuff, so... but there's plenty of room next door for all of her bits and bobs that she needs, and yeah, then I can move in. So getting there, exciting times. Nice pink room. Well, we're losing the light now. It's getting quite late in the afternoon. It's going to be dark soon. So usually it's much brighter than this in here. But yeah, got nice. It's nice and warm. I've got a little radiator to keep me warm here. So yeah, happy days. So I just thought I'd give you a little guided tour. Got a little stool to sit on for now. Yeah, a little guided tour of what Hobby Rocks' first home will look like. There's lots of mirrors, obviously, but I don't suppose they'll be here. I might have one. And a little room, a big room on this side. There's tea and coffee making facilities in there. And just behind this room, there's a winding staircase. And at the end of the hall is the loo. So, well, one of them. So I won't have far to go for the loo. So that's cool, isn't it? And I can see every corner of the room. And there are no spiders. I had a spider in my yarn room today, and I still haven't recovered from that. So yeah, this will be the home of Hobby Rocks Mark 1, and I'm looking forward to it. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to get off and collect Gary, who's wallpapering downstairs. So I also need to get some diesel before I go home. So tell me what you think. Exciting, huh? There's an arcade over there. Let me see it. Never been in there. a family amusement arcade. The only one on this entire island, I think, that I've not set foot in, because this isn't one of the roads that is really part of the seaside, although you can see the sea there. And at the end of the summer, Gary and I went to a firework display on that beach. It's a little bit further up that way, but we stood up this end and it meant that we were away from the crowds and we could see them all. So yeah, it's got quite a lot of life. And just up that way, a little bit up that way, is when I do those beach walks along Minster. So we're not far from there. Anyway, I'm going to get off, as I said, and I'm going to upload this and get ready to go home. So thanks for watching. Let me know what you think of Hobby Rock's little seaside home and new beginnings. Bye for now, everyone.